Hello, in front of me I've got Huawei Mate 10 Pro. In this video I'll show you all camera modes and settings. In the beginning we've got photo mode, where we can zoom in 10 times, but we can't zoom out. Then we've got portrait mode with beauty and effect modes. We've got also night mode, where we can set ISO and shutter speed. Then we've got aperture, which we can also adjust. In video mode we can also zoom, this time 6 times, and set beauty mode. Next we've got Pro with all available functions on the camera and more. Let's begin with 3D Panorama. Then slow motion. It's typical slow motion with adjustable speed between 4 times and 32 times. Next we can scan documents. We can record time-lapse. Enable or disable HDR, and make a photo of light painting. Next we've got monochrome, which is also adjustable, normal panorama, moving picture, and stickers. Let's see what else we can do in photo mode. Firstly, we can adjust focus, enable AI lens, and master AI. Then we can turn on or off flashlight or set it automatic, change filters, and go to settings. In settings we can change resolution between 20 megapixels and full screen 5 megapixels. We can enable or disable location tags. We can add watermark, assistive grid. We can mute the camera, set timer, enable audio control, enable or disable touch to capture, capture smile, and we can change volume button function between shutter and zoom. And the last thing is Ultra Snapshot. We can select between take a snapshot, open camera, and off. And that's all for camera modes and settings. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.